Hello everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will delve into the significance of the 1111 portal, a powerful energetic gateway that opens every November 11th. This portal ushers in a robust stream of universal energy toward Earth, making it an excellent opportunity for those who practice the law of attraction to manifest their desires and prayers swiftly. We will explore the actions to take on November 11th while this portal is active and discuss effective ways to harness the law of attraction on this day, along with pitfalls to avoid. I encourage you to watch until the end, as there are many insights to gain today. Before discussing actionable steps, let's understand the importance of the 1111 portal. The universe communicates with us through numbers, particularly angel numbers, which possess distinct vibrations and meanings. Each number carries energy, and when we delve deeper, we find that numerology can offer insights into character and potential futures. Angel numbers, especially 1111, are exceptional as they convey high vibrational messages from the universe. If you frequently notice 1111, consider yourself fortunate. It's a sign of impending success, and that your guardian angels are by your side. November 11th stands out because the date aligns with this high-frequency number, creating an energy portal that facilitates a more profound connection between our physical realm and higher dimensions, allowing universal energy to flow abundantly. The 1111 portal presents a significant opportunity for a quantum leap, enabling a shift towards desired realities. On this day, Earth's powerful cosmic rays and universal energies create the perfect environment to elevate vibrations and perform a transformative quantum jump. It's an ideal moment to harness the law of attraction through clear intentions and prayer, potentially leading to quick and beautiful changes in life. Being mindful and intentional is crucial on this day. While many overlook the importance of the 1111 portal, a knowledgeable few utilize this time to enhance their lives, taking advantage of the energies to boost businesses and improve financial situations. This special group understands the portal's significance, leveraging it for success and abundance. Moreover, the 1111 gateway offers insight into one's soul mission, promoting self-reflection and divine guidance. Meditation, journaling, or calm introspection enhance inner wisdom. Access the 1111 gateway for everyone, but its benefits depend on individual energy, focus, mindset, and intentions. The universe offers a door, and you choose to walk through it. Aligning with love, peace, and gratitude on 1111 sows powerful seeds for future growth. Engage deeper by practicing a manifestation exercise. Find a quiet spot, visualize your ideal life, affirm your desires, write confident intentions, and express gratitude as if fulfilled.